What is up, y'all? We got a video for you guys today. I ain't do a video like this never before, but hey, I'm trying something new out. I'm finna see people on Monkey, ask them to rate me through 1 to 10, run 1 through 10. So hey, this is something new. I used to do reactions. Hey, we finna see how this go, man. Make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe button, turn notification, do whatever. But we finna start the recording in 3, 2, 1, and there you go. Now we live. Now we are live. We got 19 minutes. Okay. I gotta grill the case. Hey.
Hi.
Hey, can you add time right quick? I got action. Hey, can you rate me 1 through 10? 7. I guess I can take that. I think I deserve more than 7 though, y'all. I don't know. Dang, I just got skilled. What's up? Wait. Hey, add time right quick. I got extras on. Hey, rate me 1 through 10 for my video. 8. I appreciate that. You said what? Okay, I wish I could do the little peace out thing, but hey, I'm going to the next person. I can't be wasting my time. Then I just got my hair cut off, y'all. I know y'all see the difference, dog. She just gave me an 8. I just threw my comb. What I'm doing, bro? What I'm doing? I'm tripping. Dang, she skipped me. That's how it is. That's how you feel. Alright. I got you. Hey. Hey, I got a question. Add time right quick. Add time. Dang, folks, I shouldn't turn on. Hey, can you rate me 1 through 10? Hey, you hear me? Hey, can you rate me 1 through 10? What's up? What's good? Can you rate me 1 through 10? 7? You were finna give me a 6?
7 or 8. Yikes.
Alright, I guess I can accept that. I said I can accept that, which I don't appreciate it. Tell them ready. 10. I like that. But appreciate the time.
What did it say?
Yeah, that was pretty simple. She said she don't know me. What? You give me a rate based on that you don't know me? This wild, dog. This wild. But folks are weird. She from Arkansas. Shit, I'm from Arkansas too. Let's see. Skip. Wow. I just got skipped, dog.
Nice.
Hey, what's good?
I'm so sorry.
Oh my gosh.
Nothing.
Hey, add time right quick. I got a question.
Yeah. Okay.
Y'all think y'all can rate me from 1 through 10? Oh yeah, I need all y'all opinions.
Yeah. I'll give you a 10.
10? Okay, I appreciate that. Like which one said 10 though? I like that. Wait, oh my god. I'm making a video.
This one.
Okay, I appreciate that.
I said 8.
I'm actually making a video right now.
Oh, snap. On YouTube?
Yeah.
What's your channel? Wait, at what time? Come here.
I got y'all. Wait. don't get. I just need opinions. I don't want to. I'm sorry. I don't want to talk to y'all, man. I'm sorry, dog. I'm really sorry. That was really bad for me to do. But I'm trying to get done with this video, y'all. Y'all don't. Some people don't understand. I'm real sorry for what I just did, though. I feel bad now. A little bit. A little bit. Huh. Well, let's see what the other verses say. Bro, I don't want to see no he's, bro. He is 15. I don't care. Oof. She is 14. Okay. What's good? Hey, I got a question right quick. Can y'all rate me 1 through 10?
7.
Oh my gosh. Can you please talk quicker or something, bro? Man.
You are a good person.
Wow. What is that?
No. You're my best friend. What do you mean?
Hey. Quick question. Can y'all rate me 1 through 10?
4.
Man, somebody just gave me a 4, dog. Somebody actually just gave me a 4. Yeah, I ain't tripping though. I ain't tripping. Hey.
Dude, what? That's my friend. I'm sorry.
Hey, can you guys rate me 1 through 10?
10. No, 9, 5, 0.
Bro gave me a 10, then went from 9 then to a 0. That's crazy. That is crazy. Some of these people just don't be taking folks serious on this app, dog. Kinda makes me sad, man. Let me. I used to have to pick my hair up, but now I gotta comb it. Let me hold it with my phone. What's good? Oh, I don't know what just happened with that call. They didn't want to have time or something. He is, bro. I don't know why they met you with some he's, bro. They know your boy don't want to talk to no he's, man. What's good? Hey, I got a question for you. Rate me 1 through 10. Yeah. At time. You said 10? Well, you froze up. You said what?
Yeah.
I appreciate that.
I said 10.
Oh yeah, I heard you. I said thank you. Appreciate that. Oof, feels bad, man. I wish it was not, man. I'm gonna stop adding time. I'm just hurry up and get to the point so I don't gotta switch nobody up. Just hey, real fast. Can y'all rate me 1 through 10? Real quick. Oh my gosh. This. Hey, what's good? Arkansas. Hey, right quick, can you rate me 1 through 10? Don't let me down. Okay. I feel you. I'm 17. You said what? October. Well, you too old for me.
No, too young.
Oh, you too young? How old you is? Dang. You look way older than this. This crazy. Friend me though. Friend me though.
Wait, you 13?
Oh, you a 10, you bad to me. You just, I thought you was older though, that's crazy. Hey, you actually, gonna be on my video if you don't.
Oh my God, what the?
You looking good on the camera though, so it don't matter. Huh? YouTube. Yeah. Alright, man, appreciate it. Alright, you guys, I think I'm gonna stop the video right there, man. I think I got a couple of good reactions from people. Some people just being retarded and so on and so on. But hope you guys did enjoy, man. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to my channel. And I guess I'm gonna see you guys, man. Peace.